Welcome to InkThink. The InkThink canvas provides a free-form whiteboard-style canvas area for your ideas to be visualized, just like a mini whiteboard on your tablet. To get to the canvas area, just click the icon at the top. Each idea card you ink is placed onto the canvas where they can be moved around, and even the color of the card can be changed. To add a card, just like the other functions of InkThink, just use the ink area at the bottom. So let's say we're going to have different types of pens as an idea that I'm thinking about. We click add, and you see this card is now added to the canvas, and with my pen I'm just moving it around the canvas. As I mentioned, you can change the border color. You can also delete a card or re-edit a card if you want to. As before, like with notes, you can create new canvases by clicking the plus sign or select your canvases with the drop-down. You can also adjust the size of the card on the canvas by the vertical lines on the card. So you can see here we can adjust if we want a square card or a more index card style or a very large card. And finally, at the top, you'll see we have a share icon where you can even share the canvas as an image to your friends or onto an email or to social media. One other feature with the canvas is that you can also zoom in or zoom out of the canvas area if you start having a lot of cards on your canvas. So for example, at the top, if I click out, I'm zooming out and the cards can be smaller and you can have a better view of your cards. That's a quick overview of the canvas function. Thanks very much for using InkThink.